see right here how easy it is to tear out an old fence that's woven wire. Coil that fence up, no problem. Within a matter of minutes, we're taking out a half a quarter of woven wire that would have taken all day to roll up. Real simple. When you get done, you've got your coil of wire, and when it's rolled up, there's no need to fight to get it off of to get it unhooked. I'll show you how simple it is here. Just lift your wire winder right out of the middle and your job's done. Could not be any simpler than that. And this also used to roll up barbed wire as well. We're going to demonstrate that here shortly.